Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to make an origami flower like this. It's called as a Kusudama flower. So let's start. For this you need 5 to 6 petals. So from one A4 sheet you can easily cut 6 squares. So first fold the paper lengthwise in half. You can either fold it like this in half, fold it in a triangle and cut it on this line. You'll get 4 squares. Similarly, take another paper and cut 2 more squares. Or else from a single paper, we can cut 6 squares by, we need to fold it in 3 layers. So see how much is 1/3 of it. You have to adjust and fold it like this in 3 equal layers. Little bit difference is fine, we can cut it off. So I have folded it in 3 layers. So now total there are 6 layers. But this is not a perfect square. We need to cut it in a perfect square. So from here, fold it in a triangle like this. And this extra part, we need to cut it off. This makes it a perfect square. So I've cut off the extra part. And now I'll separate out the squares. We have 6 squares. Now, how to fold the petals? Take a square and fold it diagonally. Now, bring this corner to the top corner. Same way, bring this to the top corner. Now, fold this line to this line. The fold has to start perfectly from this point. It is perfectly coinciding with this line. The fold is not like this. It has to start perfectly from this point and this line has to touch this line. Now open this and fold this cone outwards. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Open it. Open this cone and bring this fold outwards. Fold this triangle down. Now this line here, fold on this line inwards. Same way this side also, fold it inwards. Now bring this together and stick it. Do not fold this, it has to be a curve. So apply glue on the front edge and stick it like this. I've applied glue here in the front corner. Bring this together and stick it. This is 1 petal. We need to make 5 or 6 petals now. Now the same way I'll fold and stick the others also. I'll fold it again and show. Fold it diagonally in half Get these two corners to the top corner. Now fold this line to this outside line, both the sides. Now open this cone. Let this fold remain as it is. Bring this fold outwards and fold it like this. Fold this triangle down. Same way, open this. Let this line be as it is. This line, bring it out and fold it in a cone. Fold the triangle down. Now this line at the center of this cone, fold it inwards. Same way this side also, fold it inwards. Apply glue in this front edge and bring it together and stick it like this. The same way I'll fold all of them. Now I'm done with the folding and sticking of the petals. Now we need to assemble the petals. So while assembling, apply glue in the front edge and stick the second petal like this. Same way, attach all the petals. You can attach 5 or 6 petals. So apply glue only in the front edge, not this whole part, and stick the petals like this. Like this. Looks like this from the base, like this from the front. The flower is done. Now let's make the stem. You can take any paper, green color or brown color paper. I have this grayish paper. Now make a thin rod for the stem. So I'll start from here. You can use a pen refill to start making the rod, or a broomstick to start making the rod. Now roll it thin, as thin as possible. And apply glue here and stick it. You can also take a broomstick and take a thin paper and roll it around, wind it around the stem. Now we need to attach the stem here. This must be a little bit thicker. So what we can do is just press it like this and make it thin. Apply glue for almost 1 inch and then gently attach it like this. There will be some gap in between the petals, so you can gently stick it like this. This is the flower. You can also cut out some leaf shapes and stick to it to complete it. Now I have this green color paper cut in leaf shapes. So I'll stick them like this. One here and one here. The origami flower is ready. You can make a colorful bunch of this and use it for your home decor.